So hi traders, welcome back to Rising Bull Securities. Today we are going to analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty for tomorrow's trading session, which is 6th February 2023. So right now we are on Bank Nifty daily time frame. Let's go to monthly time frame. So we are now on monthly time frame, and as you can see, we broke the resistance of 40,192 or somewhere around 40,200, and currently we are coming at the same level and trying to take support over there, and we are forming a hammer candle. So first it was acting as a resistance, now it is acting as a support level, which is the level of 40,000 to 40,200, which is a support zone. So let's see if this hammer patterns high grade break, then we can expect a further rally at upside. And if low gets break, then we'll look for shorting opportunities. So let's go to daily time frame. In daily time frame, as we can see, we are seeing a bit W pattern recovery, but now we are heading towards a resistance level that I will show in smaller time frame. So currently this was a support zone. This was a support zone which will now act as a resistance, but near the resistance we are not seeing currently any signs of bearishness. So we'll see if this rally further sustains or not. So now let's go to smaller time frame in 15 minute, and I have drawn a pattern. So currently I'm watching this pattern in Bank Nifty, and same pattern is getting created in Nifty also. So as you can see, we were on the support zones. We saw the buying pressure from the support zone. We opened gap down. Then also we were seeing a buying pressure. We are holding on this support zone of 40,200, and from there we saw a small rally after creating a W pattern or taking support on the same level, and from there we were getting a trend line which we got used in further. So next day we open gap up, and from there we got a chance to sell also. We first shorted over here, and our target was this trend line, and after this when we exited this position over here, we first waited, then Bank Nifty gave us opportunity to go long. So this was the point where we gone long in Bank Nifty. So as you can see, so this was a trend line which was not got tested. So on Friday's session we tested that trend line. We were holding that trend line, and we created a bullish candle. So and we saw the continuation till this resistance. So now what can happen in Bank Nifty is, let's say currently we need to be stay neutral because we are on the important resistance. So we'll first see if Bank Nifty tries to hold at upside in this between this trend line and this resistance level, then we will think for buying if we get break of 41,600 resistance level. Then we look for this target which is coming around 42,000. And suppose currently, but what is happening, we are heading towards a fresh resistance level which is coming from these 2 points. Whenever we reach freshly on a resistance level, we see a selling pressure at any support or resistance. So we are reaching freshly near this resistance level of horizontal line and trend line. So we'll first see some selling pressure over here if we open flat, and then if it tries to hold this trend line, then we can think of upper rally. So this can be a price action over here, and if we break this trend line, then of course we will look for short in opportunity because a new trend can be continued at a downside. So as you can see, previously we were in the downtrend, we saw a recovery till the trend line, and further we can continue at a downside also. So this level is very much important. So let's see how this level reacts. If we break at upside, that is well and good. But if we started trading below 42,000 to 40 levels, then we will look for shorting opportunity also. Then our target can come around 41,000 and further downside at 40,800 can be will be our shorting targets. And on long side, if we cross 40,600, then our targets are coming straight near 42,000 resistance level, which is coming around over here. And if case of gap down and gap up, then we need to look for price action. So suppose if you open the gap up, then we can see to buy over this resistance, which will act as a support. And if we open gap down, then we'll look for pullbacks, and then if it gives any bearish sign, then we'll look for shorting in bank nifty. So this was planned for tomorrow's trading session. So in bank nifty, and same pattern is getting built in nifty 50 also. So as you can see, this is the pattern in Nifty 50 that I am watching right now. So if I get best opportunity will be for selling because it is coming freshly near this resistance level. So if I get any selling side, I will sell also because it can give a good risk reward. So these are the plan in both the indices. In Nifty, as you can see, we look for shorting after 17,800, and our target can be 17,700. So mostly I look for big risk to reward, and because I'm a momentum player, and I mostly trade in Bank Nifty. But and for going long in Nifty, you can watch out 17,900 level if price over opens flat, and then if it consolidates between 17,900 to 17,800 to 900, then either side it breaks, either downside or upside, you can trade as per. So these are the plans in both the indices. Mark these important levels and keep it with you. And most important is psychology. So build your psychology and trade as per the plan. So thank you for watching this video. Take care.